Hi everyone and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm just going to show you my first ever, I call it a belly bump cake, but a pregnancy belly cake for my cousin's baby shower.
Slutty cake. I still cake it over there.
And so I've never made one of these, so this is my first and my last.
No, nice, you got other nieces.
I had to make that. Okay, there's Tabitha and Lisa. Y'all have heard me talk about them. We're kind of more like sisters than we are cousins because I lived with them and took them to their ball games and school and everything, got them ready for school. Anyway, I made a red velvet cake. That's what Bailey wanted, so this should look interesting when we go to slice it.
And then these little
I made 2 batches of cream cheese frosting and my homemade marshmallow fondant. And then that's the baby's picture. So, it took me 2 days to get it done. So, I just wanted to bring you along to show it to you. So, what?
Look at my car, how we left it.
So, we're trying to rush to get everything ready. And on the way here, so when we put the cake in the back of Lisa's car, I said, because I'm just very nervous till we get the cake where we're going. I says, drive slowly, no sudden brakes, no nothing. So don't take curves fast or nothing. So we get to talking, and Lisa misses the turn. She goes, oh no, and she swerves over. Everything in the car goes flying. But the cake made it. So there you go. I just wanted to show it to you. Let me know what you think. Bye, y'all. And I want to give a big old shout out to Chef Tovia from Cooking with Tovia for all of his help that he gave me for the making of this cake. I had some questions about storing it and stuff, and he was very, very, very helpful. So I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the description box below. Please go check him out and tell him that Cricket sent you. Thank you so much, Chef Tovia.